In this lecture, we'll be adding an unordered list to our document. An unordered list looks like this. We can see the heading, and then the list items in no particular order. So in our HTML document, let's go ahead and first insert the heading for our list. We'll use the h3 tags. Once we have the header created, we can start the list. To create an unordered list, we use the open and close UL tag, which stands for unordered list, as you probably guessed. Now inside the UL tags, we create the list items using the LI tag. There's the open and the close LI tag. And we can just insert the first list item within these tags. We'll just insert a few other items to populate the list. And there it is. This is the complete list with the heading. Let's save the file and once again preview it in our web browser. That's what the list looks like in the browser.